It is the middle of summer, and you turn on your air conditioning expecting a blast of cold air, but instead, you just get a warm breeze, which is frustrating, right? Well, if your diagnostic tool is showing code P0532, we need to look at your AC refrigerant pressure sensor. This code specifically means the circuit for pressure sensor A is reading low. Your car is smart. It uses this sensor to monitor how much pressure is in the AC lines. This is crucial because if the pressure is too low, the computer will stop the AC compressor from turning on to prevent it from destroying itself. That low reading is why your air is not getting cold. Now, this sensor is usually a pressure transducer with 3 wires, a 5-volt reference wire, a signal wire, and a ground. The code P0532 usually sets when the voltage on that signal wire drops below what the computer expects. While a bad sensor or broken wire is a strong possibility, you have to consider the most obvious culprit first, which is a lack of refrigerant. If you have a leak and your gas is low, the pressure will naturally be low and the sensor is just doing its job by reporting that. So, before you go ripping out wires or replacing sensors, you need to verify if the system has pressure. If you have a set of manifold gauges, hook them up and see what the static pressure is. If it is near zero, you have a leak that needs to be found and fixed. If the pressure is fine, but the computer still thinks it is low, then you're looking at an electrical problem. Check the connector at the sensor for any corrosion or loose pins. You can also use your multimeter to make sure the sensor is getting its 5-volt reference signal. Just remember, AC systems are under high pressure, and refrigerant is dangerous to the environment and your eyes. So if you're not familiar with handling it, stay safe and maybe let a shop handle the refill part. But doing the electrical diagnosis yourself can save you a nice chunk of change on labor costs.